Hi there, little learners. Let's count and match. So how many beach balls can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct answer is 5. There are 5 beach balls. And now, how many sunglasses can you see? 1, 2, 3, and 4. There are 4 sunglasses. How many starfish can you see in this picture? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Total 8 starfishes are there. And in this picture, how many seashells can you see? 1, 2, 3. So there are total 3 seashells. How many umbrellas can you see? 1 and 2. So there are total 2 umbrellas. And in this picture, how many pails can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The correct answer is 6. There are total 6 pails. Now, how many ice cream can you see? 1. Only 1 ice cream. And now, how many lifesavers can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So there are total 10 lifesavers. Okay, so now in this one, how many hats can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. There are total 7 hats in this picture. Do subscribe for more such videos and keep liking and sharing the videos.